Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And this session, we are going to create a one more charting scanners. The most powerful scanners which we have created recently is about a valid order block. And now this video, so we are going to create a opposite to this, maybe a bearish order block. So which we have created and given you the good response about the video. Thank you for those who are subscribing my channel. And if you are not still subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update like scanners and screeners. And this video and opposite to this we are going to create, and last video we created this particular exact the breakout point, that is a order block which we have created, and we mentioned this also in the scanner, and we are using simple formulas to find out. And if you want, you can follow the steps to create. And this video also I'm just going to create the same, and you can look at this the opposite one. So previously we have created the order block candle for a bullish sign, and at this time we are going to create the black candle for a bearish one. And you can look at this will be giving you clear idea. So based on the pattern, I'm just going to create the exact scanners. I'm not going to discuss about how to trade and where to take an entry, where to take a stop loss. So this is what a scanner creation video. I'm just going to step by step procedure to create the scanner, and don't skip it. And I'm just going to add one by one, and let me start the scanner, and we will take as the reference for this image, and based on that we will be going to create, or we will be take this as a reference and the reverse which we can easily create with that. So in case of the reversal, the first three candles should be a green and the second two candles should be the red. So that's the simple conditions which you are going to create. And let me open a Chartink. So let me try to create, and I'm just going to create on a daily time frame, maybe in a lower time frame. So we will be trying to use with our custom indicators to find out the better results. And here the first two candles should be the green. So let me try to make that exact pattern, and then we will try to do this. So green candle, for example, the first one is green, and the second one is green, and third one also be a green. Okay, and then we are looking for a sorry, red candle, right? So it should be the red candle where I'm just trying to find a opportunity, and this is what a pattern which you are going to. And here they are saying it's a gap. Okay, this is called on a valid black. Okay, so let me try to create this one in our charting scanners. So first candle should be red, and the second candle should be the red. So that will close of that candle should be less than and open. So this simply functions and tell you the negative candle, and 2 days negative candle, just simply adding it 1 day ago and 2 days ago. So simple condition only I'm using. These are all the stocks consecutively daily close less than the open, 1 day ago close less than the open, should be a red candle. Let me check a Kotak Bank. Yeah, 2 days red candle. According to the close only we are discussing, and even Tata Consumer Product also red candle. So let me check. Yeah, both should be the red candle. So and the other condition is we have to check the previous 3 days should be the positive candle. So the close must be greater than the open on the positive past 3 days. So close must be greater than open. Okay. So this would be in the next previous 3 days. That should be 2 days ago and 3 days ago. So if you are following this step, so you can easily create the scanner. Or if you want to access my premium scanners in my Telegram group, not only this scanners, all my premium scanners that we have created earlier, like swing scanners and the daily 4 days ago. Okay, so this will fetch you BAL and Indigo. So maybe this last 3 days Indigo positive, and this 2 days negative. So 1, 2, 3 consecutive positives, and this day would be a negative one. And this consider it's not an exact valid pattern. So 3 consecutive days is gone bullish, but the third and fourth day should be downwards, and in this case it doesn't show you. Okay, so let me try to create with this image, and this is what a base criteria. uh, so for example, today's low here in this case, today's low is not less than the previous one. So we have to look for the down, complete down. Okay, so just I'm just making this that particular day. So today's low, that means low of today, that is a daily low, and should be less than 1 day ago low. Okay, low of 1 day ago, low of 1 day ago. So that means what I'm exactly, the daily low should be less than the previous day low. Okay, so that is what a concept. Or we will use a daily high should be less than the 1 day ago high. That will not. This will be right. So BEL. Let me check BEL, and it should be coming a lower one. Yeah, it would be lower than this, but we need to check the close. The closing price should be less than the previous day low or previous close. So let me add one more condition, or in here we can use it. So close at the daily close must be less than 1 day ago close. Okay, so if you are checking that only ITC, let me check ITC. Yeah, that's good. So previous day, and this would be a right one. One more conditions which you have to create is consecutive three bullish candle. Okay, so that consecutive three bullish candle, it means, so last 2 days and previous 3 days we are calculating. So here the first, that is the second candle, 0, -1 and 2. This is what very important. The low is greater than. Okay, so because we are looking for the low is greater than the previous one. That was an important. Minus 2 days ago low, that would be greater than 3 days ago. So let's simply low, um, that is what, -2 days ago low greater than uh, 3 days ago low. The simple condition, I'm just using, no other extra additional or any other customized indicator I'm using, not using. Just a simple one. So if you are following this, there is no stocks will be filtered. So why? Because of we are going to create that an exact pattern, we are going to get it. Okay, so I'm just submitting it now. So if you have any backtest, why it is not showing any backtest? 3 days ago, 2 days ago low greater than the 3 days. Sorry, here should be that. 3 days ago low greater than. Yeah, we have a lot of stocks. Let me check some of the stocks like Polycap and UBL 2 days back. Okay, so UBL. So we have to check whether the patterns are right. Yeah, this three consecutive higher candle. But in this case, the 2 days low we are looking for, that is also satisfied, but it is not a looks like a trend reversal. And one more condition which I have to try to create, it is to be a consecutive bullish candle. Consecutive bullish candle means, so we are finding a higher high. Okay, it is higher close also we are looking for. Just try to open should be each and every day should be higher than this. If you are looking at the image, so it is higher than higher closes, and then it is lower closes. So we have to try to create something like that. So just wait. So it is not showing you the exact thing, so we have to add some more conditions here. Instead of that low, so we should use a high, because we are looking at the current day. So the daily close less than the 1 day ago close, that means the current day, daily close less than the 1 day ago close. That's a negative candle compared to the previous day. Here I'm just using a highest time frame, so high value. So let me try for a daily high should be less than high of 1 day ago. So that means the candle should not be more than the previous day. So ITC Limited is the only stock. ITC, let me check. Yeah, that is an exact pattern, but in this candle, this particular low should be greater than this one. So here exactly the second candle, -2, 0, -1, -2, low is greater than the, because we are looking for a uptrend on last 3 days. So this is what a pattern. So I'm just looking for. It should be greater than the -2, low greater than the -3. So that is also be the conditions which we have to add. So the low should be greater than low of -3. So here just 0, -1, -2, candle low must be greater than the -3, and same which we can copy, and -3 low greater than the -4. That is what a 4 days ago. So if you are adding ITC will be not in the list, and we have only one stock on September 13, that would be UBL. So let me check UBL. So it is satisfying the all the condition. Yeah, it is satisfying all the condition. Here you can look at this. uh, this close is less than the -1. So here normally you can look at this in the image. So in this case, this closing is greater than this one. So in the reverse one, that low should be less than the -1. So here we are looking at this candle, that is what a -1 candle close is less than the low of the -2 candle. Okay, that we should use it. So close -1, that is 1 day ago, is less than uh, low of -2, then it will be a perfect trend change. Okay, so if you are adding this, we have a, it is not showing you the 1 day ago close is less than the 2 days ago low. Yeah, that's okay. 0 -1 -2. Yeah, current candle -1 candle -2 candle. So while I'm just creating this scanner in a live, okay, so ICICI General Insurance 10-9. So let me check ICICI General Insurance 10-9. So where you can exactly looking at this one here, this is the 10-9. Okay, so perfect. Three consecutive upper higher candle. This would be the pattern where I'm just exactly looking for 3 consecutive days from 1, 2, 3. That candle is low, and fourth one also be a perfect pattern of a reversal thing. And we are looking for the gap between this candle and this candle. Okay, so that is also satisfying. So means current candle high is less than the -2 candle low. So that would be the conditions. It will be filtering out valid order block. So IA for today, that is the latest candle, must be less than -2 candles low. Low of -2 candles. So it will be automatically fetch where you can see very few number of stocks. Let me check this HCL take on 5-8, whether it is right or wrong. HCL take 5-8. What is a 5-8? Sorry, 5-8, right? This one. Three consecutive candle and then gap lower and gap lower. There is a huge gap, but instead of this and previous one works better, right? So we have stocks in, let me check this instead of that condition. So almost here we have a HDFC AMC. Let me check HDFC AMC. Yeah, on 3 consecutive days, and this would be a positive day only, and next day and next day. This should be the pattern where exactly we are looking for the zone here. This is the zone, and maybe we are expecting the trend reversal at the top level. Okay, so where we can mark the level, and this should be the zone. Okay, so after the uptrend, and we are looking for the down. So exactly we find it out right now. So this maybe works, and let me check even some more things. So if you have any issues, we can fix it. And 6th September, this is what 9-9. Okay, so 9 and 9. This one is a perfect pattern, consecutive higher, and then black which forming a reversal, and now it is keep on continuous. So this is what maybe this will work for your change over the trend, and this would be a higher side. Even better one we can create with a custom indicator. So this which you are creating one by one. Okay, so any other things to add it here, which you are created already with the exact images, and this would be the images, and we are looking at this moment. So consecutive higher candles, this eye is above and below, and there is a gap that is also we fixed it, and this should be the red candle, and this should be the green candle. 3 consecutive higher eye candle. Okay, that to 3 consecutive higher eye, that's okay. That will always be a higher eye candle only it's showing you. So as per the pattern. Okay, so let me try for any other stock which forming a such a pattern. So in the back test result, REC on 9-9. So REC, so let me remove this. So this is what a pattern, exactly what we are looking for in this. And 1, 2, 3, and this is what the higher level, and then reversal, and after that it is keep down from this candle. It is a 9th September, 3 consecutive green candle, and then the changeover that should be happen. But here where you can see it is not about a consecutive, but this is what looks like an inside button. Here it is keep on rising, but in a daily time frame, it may be okay. But if you are looking for an hourly or lower time frame, so we can try to create that also. I hope you understood the concept. And there is a gap between that particular stocks. That is also we fixed it. And where is the gap? So this is what a candle, and this is what a candle. So this is what a pattern. It is a bearish out of block, and bullish. We are seeing there is a gap between. So that already we created, and this will helping you to find out some opportunities, maybe if any correction from this list, and let me know. And thanks for subscribing and watching my videos, and thank you so much for giving me such a good result. And this scanner also I will be posted on my YouTube channel, sorry, my premium Telegram group. So if you want to access all my premium group, so you can also get the access about my channel, and some of the stocks which I have seen based on the pattern which you have created in IDFC, First Bank, that was an opposite pattern. So here this we are 3 consecutive done, and fourth one and the fifth one is high, and this is what a gap between this, and this is another black where exactly tested this level, and it is bounces back, and same like that today also it is happening, and now it is market is moving. And a lot of stocks we've seen JK Cement, and that this is a previous scanner I'm talking about. So here is the pattern on 19th August. Consecutive down, and it went higher. So this is what a thing which I'm creating a scanners with this, and this will help you to find out. And maybe some next videos are we in previous, maybe in next, and we will be trying to find this for a intraday time frame also. Thank you so much, and thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. Thank you.